Hi, I am John Paul Musa and this is my Activity 9 in SS02 Contemporary World. Base sa aking research, ang Mayamot ay masyado ng overpopulated, kaya naman nag-list down ako ng pwede kong masuggest upang makatulong at makontrol namin ng pagiging maraming tao sa aming barangay. Marami ito at hanggang 8, kaya naman pakinggan nyo at intindihin ang aking sasabihin. Overpopulation is a complex issue with significant environment, economic, and social implications. Addressing it requires a multi-phase approach involving education, policy change, and technological innovation. Number 1. Family planning and education, like comprehensive sex education, access to contraceptives, empowerment of women. Number 2. Economic development, like poverty alleviation, job creation. Number 3. Healthcare improvements, maternal and child health services, healthcare access. And number 4. Education for all, universal education, vocational training. And number 5. Policy and governmental action, like population policies, urban planning. Number 6. Sustainable practices, like resource management, renewable energy. Number 7. Cultural and social change, like shift norms, gender equality. 8. Technological innovation, like agricultural advancement, smart cities. Yun lamang po para sa aking Activity 9 sa SS02. Maraming thank you po.